Yeah. It's hard. It's hard. Alright. So the other day, I went on a bike ride with my friend Vishal. Oh, we were trespassing for sure today. Going on the other way. You know what? That's what I get. That's what I get for buying Chinese shit. Good thing I just ordered a new one. All right, well, we made it. Yeah. We made it to Lake Arlington. He's a good friend that I've had since 4th grade. And he has a boosted scooter, which is an electric scooter basically. And him and I went on the bike ride technically, and he rode a scooter, right? And on our way back, we got into a race. And we ended up racing each other back home. And he smoked me. His scooter has 3 modes. 1, 2, and 3, and he put it on 3, which is the fastest one, which he said can top out at like 25 miles an hour or something like that. So I was racing him with that, and I was behind, to say the least. So I told him I want a rematch, and he said, okay, next time it's nice outside, we'll go. So today it's 60 something. So this is pretty nice. So we're gonna go race again. But this time I have a better GoPro and a better setup. So I think the footage will come out better too. My friend.
What's up?
Is she fully charged?
Yeah.
You want to go to Lake Arlington again?
Sure.
It's chilly, dude. You might be cold in just a t-shirt and shorts.
Lucky.
Yeah. Go get something to throw on.
You got a mask and everything?
He had a mask on?
Yeah.
We made it here quicker than last time, didn't we? We made it quicker than last time, didn't we?
It always feels like that second time.
Yeah. Yeah, let's just go to this park. And then we'll turn around there. Yeah, we can line up. Good. Should we do a rolling start? So now we'll get to 12. And then... All right, sounds good. All right, let's do it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Dude, I cannot keep up with that. Dude,
Hey, you stink.
let's go in the middle.
Don't break and then do it again.
Yes. Whew, my legs are pumped right now. So 25, is that how fast you were going?
25 was the fast I was going. But that downhill, you went faster than 25, so you got me.
Right, I got in front. Oh, yo, biker gang. What is up? When do you want to go? All right, here. I say we go. We wait for this turn. All right, ready? Ready? I'm gonna take the inside line. Fuck you. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. No! Get the street. Oh! Oh man! Dude! That is hard. Yeah, let's do it from 0. Hold on. I have to do a slight rolling start because I have these pedals.
Alright,
Okay. Yep. 3,
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh man, dude.
That was good, huh?
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. My leg just.
Another nice day.
No, I'm done. That was good.
Alright.
That cooked me. Oh. Yeah, I'll go up here too. I never go up here. Cool. All right, dude. All right, see ya. All right, I'm gonna go.
Yep, easy.
See ya.